Hey guys, welcome back to Unbox JSD. Today we are gonna unbox Sonata SF77000 for what? You can say its MRP is rupees 799.
Yeah.
Let's unbox it.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold.
So the watch is looking pretty good. The build quality is fine. And it is waterproof also. Let's keep it to our hands. Looks so comfortable. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to Unbox JSD.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their